Low, not just as mild tomorrow, but not bad for the beginning of November. Have a look at the satellite sequence. Now, this is a hurricane, but it's only really threatening the Azores. We have a huge area of high pressure, and we're watching a weak weather front coming southwards across the British Isles just at the moment, and bringing slightly cooler weather across many parts during the course of tomorrow. That front's weak now and becoming even weaker as it comes down across the country. Basically, high pressure giving essentially dry weather for the next few days. On the radar, if you look very closely, you can just see spits and spots of rainfall over Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England from that weak front. It's mostly moved out over the North Sea now, but the computer keeps a band of cloud and light rain coming southwards across southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern England during the course of the night, getting to North Wales, the North Midlands and northern parts of East Anglia by the end of the night. Either side of the front, clearing skies, some patchy mist and fog in the south, but cold enough either side of the rather mild front, 9 Celsius, to give a touch of ground frost north and south. Tomorrow morning, well, that fog clearing as the weak weather front pushes clouds southwards across the country. And certainly southern England and Wales are likely to have a much cloudier day tomorrow than they have had for some time. And more rain reaches the north and northeast of Scotland during the day as well. That's the morning. There's that weak weather front giving just the odd spot of drizzle in places. South Wales and southern England, some patches of quite thick fog just to start with. That'll clear during the morning as that cloud pushes in from the north. Over Northern Ireland and Scotland, broken clouds, sunshine at times, but more rain reaching the Northern Isles during the course of the morning. No more than the odd spit spot of drizzle over eastern districts by the middle of the day and the southeast of Britain, the odd spot of drizzle by the end of the afternoon. Most places dry, though more rain in the Northern Isles and northeastern parts of Scotland. Well, broken clouds, most of us having some bright weather, but rather dull at times in that southern district. Light winds for most of us, a fairly fresh wind that get up in the Northern Isles later on in the day. Quite cool up there too, 10 to 12 Celsius. Coming southwards, warming up 12 to 14, at best 15 Celsius in the south. And looking farther ahead now, a few showers we think in eastern districts, rather cool with frost in places at night. Most places though still